What's up, guys? So today we're here with another quick tip video. We're in the 2017 Honda Fit and we're going to reset the maintenance minder light. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the engine in the on position. So we don't need to press the brake pedal, but we're going to press the start button twice. 1, 2. Now, if your oil life level is 15% or less when you start the car, the light will automatically be on and you'll automatically be in this oil life mode. If not, you'll have to cycle through by pressing that button here until you get to the oil life. Now, once we have the oil life showing, we're going to press and hold this button for 10 seconds. And now that's going to blink and we're going to let go. Now, while that's blinking, we're just going to press and hold for another 5 seconds. And now the oil life is reset to 100%. So that's all we have to do to reset our maintenance minder. So the Honda dealer will typically do this for you, but if you do your own maintenance or you take it to an independent shop, then you'll need to reset it as in this video. Now, if this helped you, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.